Hey, this is Yasir here, coming to you to talk about the Wheel Woolie. What is the Wheel Woolie? It's a wheel cleaning brush. Unlike many of the brushes out there on the market, it doesn't have the spiky plastic nylon construction. It has, as the name suggests, a woolly wool construction. And as you can see, I have four versions. The big one for large openings, the more narrow, we get more tight spaces. And then I have something similar to the other one, but it's hooked, so it actually you can get into behind the wheels, the faces of the wheels, and around the caliper. It's actually good for cleaning the calipers. And then a small one for tighter spots, actually getting between the barrel and the caliper. These work between the barrel and the caliper as well. It just depends on how tight it is. They're very good. They're soft to touch. Unlike some other brushes, they're not like they won't scratch unless you get something caught up in it, a rock or something. But the likelihood of that, unless you're just careless, that's not gonna happen. Or there may be something on the wheel that gets trapped in it, so just be mindful as you're using it, particularly the big one because it holds a lot more stuff. One thing I like about the big one, if you're using a bucket of water, you dip it in and you pretty much go around the wheel with that one dip because it holds so much in. So it just depends on how dirty the wheel is, how intricate it is. You can see the wheel behind me. A lot of pretty wide openings. However, you probably have to dip a few times for that one just because of the close space of the spokes. But this one in particular, I really like it just because of the hook. So it's just more versatile. So it is. See, like now, I got to go clean it off and make sure it doesn't have any contamination in it. So things like that. So don't drop it on the ground, so it doesn't pick up any dirt and debris. But the Wheel Woolie is like I said, it's soft for the wheel. So if you're pretty particular about your wheels, you may want to go with a Wheel Woolie. If you keep them up pretty good, this is the tool to go for. And also, one thing I like is when you cleaning the wheel, you're not splattering all the dirty crap onto your clothes, the black stuff. I have other brushes that I have to be mindful not to take it out too fast, and as I'm using it, as I'm be mindful, maneuvering it. It's just something extra I have to be concerned about. You don't have to be concerned about that with this. You don't make a mess of yourself getting it all over your clothes or even the work area that you may be in a place indoors. Sometimes I'm cleaning cars indoors. You're not going to make a big mess splattering somebody's garage floor with little black spots, things like that, with the Wheel Woolie, because it's soft, it's soft, and it's good for cleaning. So it's delicate and it's effective. If you're looking for a nice wheel brush, look at Wheel Woolie. They have other options. They actually have a spoke, not a spoke, but a lug nut brush as well as I think they have a tire brush. So some other options. So these are just the four that I have in my arsenal that I live by, and I would recommend you pick up some. They're very good to use. Wheel Woolie, check them out.